What if you could create 3D animations just by typing?
Well, a new AI does just that.
The idea is super simple, right? You just describe an action and the AI builds it.
This new tool is called Hey Motion 1.0, and believe me, it's already a huge deal.
And the animations, they look incredibly smooth and are ready to drop right in your projects. How is it so good? It's been trained on over 3,000 hours of motion data. But there was a huge catch. Officially, you needed some serious hardware to run this thing.
And this is the real breakthrough. The community got it running on normal graphics cards.
It's all thanks to the amazing ComfyUI community. They've made this accessible to pretty much everyone.
So how'd they pull it off? By swapping in some way more memory-efficient parts.
All right, want to try it for yourself? Let's quickly go over the installation steps.
First things first, you'll want to set up a dedicated environment so nothing breaks.
Next up, you'll install ComfyUI. Think of it as the main dashboard for the AI.
Step 3 is where the magic happens. You add the High Motion plugin itself.
And finally, you download the AI's brain, the actual models, and put them in place.
Once you're all set up, creating your first animation is ridiculously easy.
You can just type in something simple like a person dances like a robot. And get this, it's crazy fast. We're talking as little as 8 seconds.
You also get controls to tweak things, like the animation length and overall style.
Your new animation file pops out automatically, all ready for your favorite 3D software.
Okay, but how do you apply this to your character? That's where retargeting comes in.
In Blender, it's pretty simple. You basically just map the animation skeleton to your characters.
And it's not a long process either. We're talking about 5 minutes, start to finish.
This really is a game changer. So, now that you can animate anything, what's first?